Hi everybody, I've got a little update for you here from Creative Mojo Head Office. So we'd like to show you how we are moving forward and working in our care homes now. So the first thing when I arrive at your care home, obviously it's probably going to look familiar to you, our tower. I'm going to spray this down with my disinfectant first before I come in. I will also obviously be wearing my mask, which I have there. When I come in, I will wash my hands. I will then pop on my gloves here, and then I'll come over to the table here. Now we are no longer using our newspaper. We have got throwaway or washable table coverings, and what we're going to do is set the table up before your residents are sat down to minimise contact. I'm using paint palettes, which your residents will have one each, and they will be sat at the correct social distance. Paint brushes, I'm going to again pop out brushes for all your residents. That will not be shared. Pots of glue there as well. The glue I will squeeze in. This goes over here. Nobody will be using the tower apart from myself. And then in terms of items here that will be painted, I'll probably leave a selection to minimise going back to the table as well. So your residents will be doing their painting. I will not be taking every shape, popping it on, coming back. I'll wait until we have quite a sizable collection of the shapes, and then I'll remove those and pop them on the background. When it comes to tidying up, I will collect up all these. Obviously, probably best when your residents have left. All these items will be put in a carrier bag. There we go. And will not be used again. They'll be taken home, washed. They'll not be used again for 24 hours, so they do not get shared with any other care homes. All that, I take all this away with me, all gets sealed up. I pop it in the car and we won't see that again. Obviously I will have my plastic apron on. I will remove that, remove my gloves, wash my hands, off I go. On the way to my next care home, again, process starts again. I will sterilise my tower, and I will have completely different equipment for the next home. Different brushes again. My pots of paint stay in here. Nobody touches those but me. The palettes and the brushes are only used for each care home, minimalising any transmission. We have put together some guidelines here for you, which you can print off and have a read through. And if there's anything else you'd like to know, please get in touch with your local Creative Mojo representative. Thank you all very much for your support, and we are really looking forward to seeing all our clients again. Thank you for your time.